this is Andrea here.
And the other Andrea.
We're back! Woo! We're doing a plan with me, y'all. I hope you guys can join us today. And I hope you're having a great day.
Yes.
Let's go ahead and get started. I have a blank sheet. Andrea makes these inserts for my Louis Vuitton MM. And
But I can make them for any size planner.
she can make them for any size planner and any kind of setup you want. She has horizontal, she has vertical.
I have a dashboard one.
Dashboard, all kinds of cool stuff.
Yes.
And we're going to be using her kit, Animals.
Woohoo!
And they fit right into my little planner. These are the deco sheet. Look at all those decos you get.
Ah,
That's awesome.
it's the main functional page.
We got little checklists,
Icons.
little boxes,
Icons.
money.
Icons.
We all want money right there. Who's going to win that PCH lotto? Me.
And then the second functional sheet.
And then the second functional sheet, like Drea just said.
Date covers.
Date covers.
That was my finger. Yes.
Show him your finger again. What?
I could show them this finger.
Ooh. She's been promised, y'all.
Yes.
Show him your ring.
Wait, oh, goodness, where?
There's a hand. This is her promise ring. Isn't that gorgeous?
I love it.
Now, what does that stand for? That's like a Triforce, or?
It's from Zelda. It's the Zelda Zora Sapphire.
Zelda Zora Sapphire. Isn't that cool?
Yeah, my boyfriend is really big into Zelda, and so he decided to get me that ring.
Aww.
I'm very excited. I'm gonna
What a
blush.
sweetie little. He is a sweetie, guys.
Yeah, he is.
I think the last time we did a Plan With Me video, they were just dating. So, it's been a year now.
Almost a year and a half.
Wow, a year and a half. Well, let's get started decorating. This week, I want to go with the corgi,
Yes.
because I have corgis.
We have little corgi heart butts. Oh, that's cute.
Isn't he adorable? I like these little bunnies.
Oh, that's cute. No, I'm kidding.
So cute.
The teddy bear. Oh, you're not. You skipped it.
No, I'm not going to do the teddy bear yet.
Okay.
And here. And I want one up here. We're going to be having to water the grass now that we're into spring/summer, huh?
Yeah.
So I don't know.
It's been windy as heck.
Yeah, it has. We'll put a little kitty cat over here on Saturday, and then the little fish, so the cat can eat the fish on Sunday. Alright, then I have my Monday through Sunday stickers. And you guys know how it goes. The dogs like to drink water and eat right when I hit record. Don't they though?
Mm-hmm.
Every time.
Like clockwork. It does fit perfectly.
Yeah, they do.
Nice. And I just realized what sticker I could add to the kit.
What are you going to add to the kit, Dre?
Numbers.
Numbers. Yay.
Yeah.
A lot of people do that fancy writing.
Mm-hmm. The brush script.
Brush script. Thank you. And Friday. Nice. This is starting out so cute. Alright, I'm going to take these these flags.
Flagship classes.
Yeah. I'm gonna go down the side here because you can use all your space for, you know,
Stickers.
writing and your stickers, organizing,
Whatever.
whatever. Yeah.
Floats your boat.
Now, how many sheets come in this kit?
2 plus the optional deco sheet, so 3.
Okay. Can they get just all 3 together?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, the full kit is 12. The functional sheets alone are 8, and then the deco sheet alone is 4.
Okay.
Because it's all hand drawn.
It's all hand drawn by Dre, y'all.
Yes.
What do I want to do next? See, is it my turn to cook?
Yeah.
Okay. And today's Monday, so I have to put a cook one here. And then that means I'll cook on Wednesday. And then Friday. Everybody's on their own. Saturday and Sunday. There. I love it. I absolutely love this one. It turned out so cute. Well, now I gotta start with my Bibbles. Bibbles is a character Drea created, and I'm telling you, she's the most adorable little creature on the planet now that she landed from outer space.
Yes. She is an alien.
She's an alien with a bow
Yes.
and a whole lot of attitude.
Oh yeah. She's sassy.
Sassy. These are Etsy and eBay stickers. I asked her to create these for me because I sell on Etsy and eBay, and I like to be able to mark where I've sold something.
So that's a custom sheet specifically for Mom, but you can order one too. If like you can order, this is dishes bibbles, but you can order dishes bibbles with dinner and whatever other stickers. You can personalize it.
So don't forget, you can personalize your sheets. You can have different characters on each line. You can, like, this is dishes, next would be eBay, next would be Etsy,
Dinner,
next would be dinner,
and then the appointments.
and then appointments.
But you can have any kind of combination.
And then here's Bibbles, appointment labels.
These are the small ones. There are larger ones for like the classic Happy Planner and Erin Condren, but these are perfect for personalize or the mini Happy Planner.
Okay. I love them. I love them.
Thank you.
Alright, so I'm going to put appointment bibbles down because we have one for Wednesday. Oh, she's going to go right up here. So cute. I love it. Now you can stack your stickers. Don't even be shy. See how I stacked her on top of that one? Stack them. Don't be shy.
Like me.
Only one appointment this week.
Yeah, and all the other appointments are. We have like 3 next week, 3 or 4.
Do we really?
Yeah. Well, most of them are mine. I have 3 next week,
Okay.
or 4. I'm finally getting my eyes checked so that I can get new glasses.
Yay.
That'll be exciting.
Blind bud.
I'm so blind.
Just like your mother.
It is so bad.
This is the 14th through the 20th.
Yes.
So we have 14. No, 14.
15th.
15th.
But yeah, don't you think that a optional number sheet would be good?
Yeah.
But I will make it optional, because not everybody likes the numbers added.
I like the idea that it's optional.
Yeah. That is so cute.
This is so cute. And here on this one, I'm going to go ahead and turn my page. And I'm going to put Monday through Friday. And that's when Tim goes to work.
Yes.
So,
But That is my boyfriend. For anybody who is new, that is my boyfriend. He's a bus driver.
So you can write and put things anywhere you want.
He's a school bus driver.
He is a school bus driver. Good girl.
Yes. Yeah, oh no, because there's beef between regular bus drivers and school bus drivers.
Okay. Now here's a larger appointment bibbles.
No.
I mean,
Filming.
right here.
Yeah.
Here's the bigger appointment bibbles.
Comes 10 to a sheet because they're so big, and the sheets are tiny.
And I can show you the difference.
Look how tiny! You can fit a small appointment bibbles in the other bibbles.
That's so cute.
Yes.
And then
This is filming bibbles. I am revamping my bibbles, so it's gonna have this size, but it's also gonna have a little smaller size on it.
awesome. Awesome, because I have to film, and I try to film on Saturdays and Sundays, even though today's Monday.
Yeah, we didn't get to this video in time.
No. But I try to film on Saturday and Sundays. So Mrs. Bibbles will be right there. It's washing dishes.
Mm-hmm.
Now,
It's my turn. So tomorrow.
today's Monday, so to
yours.
It was mine and tomorrow at the same time, so I said to mine.
Yes.
So we're put me washing dishes on Tuesday. Then I have to wash them on Thursday. And Saturday.
Yep. Because on Wednesday.
See, you doing what I did. We add letters and stuff to our words.
We do.
And then when I make a sale, I'm going to use my bibbles to denote that on the planner.
Yes.
I love, love, love bibbles, Dre.
Thank you.
I hope other people will enjoy her as well.
Yeah.
Right now she's got lots to choose from, guys, so check her out. Her link is down below. And I hope you enjoyed this plan with me. This is our completed plan.
That's so cute.
It's so cute.
It turned out so adorable.
I could write the doctor appointment in here. It's 2:30.
Yeah.
I'm Big Dre, y'all. Big Dre.
Still, after all these years and the fact that I'm almost 33.
Yeah. There we go. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, please give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to check out Drea down below. Her link is in the description box. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Have a great one. Bye.
Bye.